Hey, how's it going? Today I'll show you how to get the Unlinked Alternative App Store to your Fire Stick as well as the best code to use there. It will allow you to get all the amazing apps to your Amazon Fire Stick, the ones which are not available in the official Amazon App Store by default. And there are all kinds of apps, such as movie apps, TV shows, live TV, live sports, and so on. And the whole process will be actually really easy and will take you only a couple of minutes. So now, without any further ado, let me show you how to get Unlinked to your Amazon Fire Stick. And first of all, you will need to have to get the app called Downloader to your device. If you already have Downloader and it is properly set up, then you could actually skip this step. But if you don't have Downloader yet, or you are unsure if it is set up correctly, then of course you need to follow me. So we just go to search on the Fire Stick, open the search bar, and start typing Downloader in here. And usually there's even no need to enter the whole name of the app, because as you can see, Downloader has already popped out for me at the bottom. Just click on it, and here's the app, which you'll need to get to your device. But then, after you've got Downloader, it's not over yet, because you still have to set it up. So to set up Downloader now, we go to Settings by clicking this button with a gear icon, then you will scroll down and go to My Fire TV. Open it, and now from here, what you have to do is turn on the developer options. But on some Fire Sticks, and especially on the new Fire Stick devices, the developer options might be hidden by default. So if that's the case, and you cannot find developer options anywhere, then no need to worry, because it's pretty easy to make them appear. Just go to About, select FireTV Stick, and now you have to start clicking on the middle button on your remote. And do it fast, so let's do it. And as you can see, now for me at the bottom, it says no need, you are already a developer. That's in my case. And in your case, it will say that you have become a developer now. So if you go back a bit, you will finally see developer options. So you open them, make sure to turn on the 8-bit debugging, then go to install unknown apps, and from here all we have to do is locate Downloader and turn this option on. So what it does, it's gonna allow you to install other applications from the internet and not necessarily only those apps which are only available in your official Amazon App Store by default. And that's exactly what we'll do right now. So now we just go back to the list of apps on your Fire Stick. Here it is, let's open it. And there is the Downloader now, which is set up and ready to use on the Fire Stick. But before actually using Downloader, there's one more thing which I always recommend doing. And it's of course connecting to a VPN. In my case, I mostly use NordVPN. Because they're super fast, they got a great app for Fire Sticks, Android TVs, phones, laptops, or pretty much any other device you may use. And they are not expensive for such a premium service. In fact, they cost less than a couple of bucks per month, which is a great pricing for us, the users. All you have to do in a VPN app is connect to any server. Let's say you will connect to Slovenia right now, and from the moment you connect, all your traffic will be totally encrypted. It means that no one can track you or snoop on you online. And that's really important if you want to stay out of trouble. And if you don't have a VPN yet, but you want to try it out, then I do have a great offer for you. If you use my link, which will be in a pinned comment below this video or in the description of this video, you will get 3 months of NordVPN totally for free, which is an amazing offer. And if you're watching this video on your TV or on your Fire Stick, then just grab your phone or your computer, open up a web browser, and go to topvpnoffer.com. That's my website, which is going to give you the same amazing deal for NordVPN with 3 months for free. Or just scan the QR code, which you can see on the screen right now, with a camera of your phone. It works the same way, and it's also going to give you the same amazing deal. And now, finally, let's use Downloader safely. So just go back to a list of apps on Fire Stick, locate Downloader, and let's open it up. And then when it opens, here in the search bar, you will have to enter a link, which will be unlinked.link. That's the website where you could download the official version of the Unlinked application to your Amazon Fire Stick device. So once again, it's unlinked.link. Let's enter the link together. Just like that, you can see it on your screen. Then click on Go. And while it's loading, make sure to subscribe my channel so you would get even more content about Fire Sticks. And then when the website opens, you just have to click on that big Download APK button. So you click on it, and the download of Unlinked to your Fire Stick will start. After that, click Install and wait a bit until the installation is fully finished. And then do not click Open yet. Instead, press Done, because this way you get an option to delete the installation files, which you don't need anymore on your Fire Stick device. So just click on Delete and then delete once again. This way, you will be able to save yourself some free space on your Fire Stick. And it's really important, because by default, your Fire Stick doesn't really have too much of free space available anyway. And then we actually have to go to Settings one more time, open My FireTV, go to Developer Options, Install Unknown Apps, and this time you have to turn this option on for Unlinked as well, because we'll be using Unlinked to get other apps from the internet for you. And then, if you go and open the list of applications on your FireTV stick, then here at the bottom you will finally see Unlinked. So now, first of all, I would recommend you to click on the Options button on your remote. That is the button with 3 horizontal lines. Just click on it and then press on Move to Front. This way, the app will always be at the very top of your application list, and therefore, it will be way easier for you to access the app every time you need it. Just don't forget to keep the VPN connected to stay safe and out of trouble online. After that, feel free to open Unlinked. Here we go. Then just click on Add a new library, and pretty much the only code that you have to enter is a word everything. So just enter everything here as a word. Let's do that together. Just like that. After that, click Next, and wait a bit. And now here I had to blur out my screen because of YouTube rules, but in your case, of course, it's not gonna be blurred. And in this alternative app store on your Fire Stick, you get access to all the best applications that you could dream of. All kinds of movie apps, TV shows, live TV, live sports, IPTV players, media players, utility apps, and so on. So there's a lot of good stuff that you are going to enjoy. So enjoy and see you next time. Bye bye.